It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Guardian.
You do it then if you're so clever.
Go on, go on.